Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on Lesson 5.2 of Unit 5, Choosing a Broker. In this lesson, we're going to cover the importance of choosing a regulated broker and how to avoid unregulated ones. By the end of this video, you will understand how to protect your investments and make informed decisions when selecting a broker. Let's get into it. A regulated broker is a company that is licensed and monitored by a government financial authority. This means they have to follow strict rules and guidelines to ensure your safety and security. Think of it like a restaurant with a food safety certificate. You know they meet certain standards. When a broker is regulated, it means your funds are segregated, which is like having a separate bank account just for your trading. The broker is also audited regularly, ensuring they are operating fairly and transparently. You also have legal protection, so if something goes wrong, you can seek help from the authorities. Unregulated brokers often have red flags that you should be aware of. If a broker promises guaranteed profits, it's likely a scam. Also, be wary if they don't have a license number or are only operating offshore. These are warning signs that they may not be trustworthy. To verify a broker's regulation, you can go to the regulator's website and search for the broker's license number. This is like checking a company's credentials before doing business with them. Make sure the license is valid and up to date. One common scam is when a broker lets you deposit and profit easily at first, but then refuses to let you withdraw your funds. This is like a trap, and you should be cautious of brokers that seem too good to be true. The rule is simple. Never deposit with a broker you cannot verify on a top-tier regulator's website. This is like a safety net to protect your investments. If you can't verify the broker, it's best to avoid them. Another way to test a broker is by using a demo account. This is like a trial run where you can test the broker's platform and services without risking real money. Make sure to test the demo account for at least 2 weeks to get a feel for the broker's performance. If a broker promises zero spreads or guaranteed returns, it's likely a scam. These promises are unrealistic and may be designed to lure you into depositing money. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. In conclusion, choosing a regulated broker is crucial to protecting your investments. Remember to verify a broker's license, be wary of red flags, and test their services with a demo account. By following these steps, you can make informed decisions and avoid common scams. That is everything for Lesson 5.2, Regulated versus Unregulated Brokers. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.